This 2026 K-Z Sportsmen SE 383 DBK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features stovetop burner, smoke detector, TV, LP detector, water heater, slide-out, awning, microwave, oven, leveling jacks, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-bath, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2026 K-Z Sportsmen SE 383 DBK is 9,400 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.